And this is where you're going to learn about FASD, where you're going to get support, encouragement, strategies, tips to deal with everyday challenges at home, at school. We know FASD is challenging, and parents wear so many hats, right, my man?
Yes.
So what we want to do is we want to make sure that we help them level up in different areas of life.
Welcome to the Honestly Adoption Podcast, a show about adoption, foster care, advocacy, and becoming the best caregiver possible. Pull up a chair. We're glad you've joined us. Here's your host, Mike Berry.
Hey, everybody. Welcome back to the Honestly Adoption Podcast. You may be thinking, what in the world is going on? This is an episode on a Tuesday, and typically they publish their episodes on Friday. Well, guys, I've got a really special treat for you. I just did a video with my good friend Jeff Noble this past weekend, and the reason why we did that video was because he is right in the middle of an amazing free resource, because this is Resources That Transform. That's the series we're in. He's doing a free resource once a year called the Caregiver Kickstart FASD Workshop. This is a 3-part live workshop that Jeff is hosting, and it is all about helping caregivers find ultimate success when it comes to parenting children with an FASD. That's a lot of you guys, because we hear from you all the time. You're desperate, you're looking for answers. Well, this live workshop is the answer. And right now, you haven't missed anything. Jeff kicked off his very first session all about FASD core principles this past Sunday, and session 2 is about to drop. Depending on when you listen to this, it may have already dropped. It's not too late. It's not too late. You can grab your spot 100% free. Jeff only does this workshop once a year, so this is your chance. There are like 3,000 people signed up for this workshop, and man, session 1 was amazing on Sunday. I found myself feverishly writing notes. I have been parenting children with an FASD for years now, and I always learn something new from Jeff. I guarantee that you will too. So listen, join this workshop. Again, it's free. All you need to do is click the links in the show notes and sign up. You guys will not regret it. I promise you. Session 2 is about to drop, and Jeff's even going to be giving away a full-blown blueprint to find success as a caregiver. So take some time, listen to my interview with Jeff. It's about 12 minutes long, and he lays out in 12 minutes exactly what this workshop is all about, and grab your spot today. Okay, check this out. Hey everybody, Mike here from Honestly Adoption, and you see my good friend Jeff Noble on the screen. If you're watching this right now, you are either on our main Facebook page, you are in our support group, whatever, right? Or you're watching this through our Instagram, and we're excited that you guys are here. You're like, whoa, what's going on here? It's kind of rare that we do videos like this, but this is super important stuff. There's a reason why Jeff is on here with me, because today is Saturday, tomorrow is November 6th, and you are kicking off your Caregiver Kickstart FASD Workshop, and it's going to be amazing. Dude. We're so excited about this. We're excited to be a part of this, and I'm excited for you, because this is going to do a lot of this is going to be transformational for caregivers really worldwide. So tell me about this workshop.
Yeah, dude. Thank you for having me, by the way. It's good to
Absolutely.
It's good to see your sweet face. It's shaping up to be awesome. When you're talking, I'm just getting excited. Honestly, no pun intended, right? Branding. Honestly, they have no idea what's coming. They have no idea what's coming, and we're so excited. You know, I've been doing this workshop since 2010, so this is the 10th year. We've had about 10,000 people go through this, and basically my free workshop, what we do is like in this particular one, this is where you're going to learn from myself, but not only me, but the families that I've been working with for the past year. And this is where you're going to learn about FASD, where you're going to get support, encouragement, strategies, tips to deal with everyday challenges at home, at school. We know FASD is challenging, and parents wear so many hats, right, my man? So what we want to do is we want to make sure that we help them level up in different areas of life, help them level up with understanding the disability. What is brain and what is behavior? Is my kid being a bit of a jerk, or is this the disability? I get that question all the time. How come the schools don't get it? How come the community doesn't get it? And so instead of waiting for some agency to come do it, I said, we'll do it ourselves. And we've slowly been building to now where, we have so many people showing up, and partly thanks to you for sharing this stuff. It's going to be a good time. It's going to be fun, and they're going to learn none of this theory. This is rubber meets the road. How do you create more peace? How do you manage a meltdown? How do you talk to people about FASD? And a roadmap, and then we give you a roadmap to go forward. So sorry if I'm talking
you're
too much,
excited.
I can't help it. I literally, it's Christmas Eve to me today, because I can't wait. People feel so lonely.
I know. Man? Yeah.
And
it's
so
true.
all of a sudden now we got everybody together. And for a lot of parents, it's the first time they're looking around and saying, they're speaking my language. I'm not
alone.
Judged.
Yeah.
Buddy, it's so good. And the results that my families have done has been amazing. I can't wait to brag about them. But then also show people what they're doing. Like, not pie in the sky, everything is great. No, this is what I do when I'm upset. This is what I do. And so, that real stuff that makes a difference. That's what I'm interested in. And that's what we share.
Yeah. This is so valuable because we get a lot of questions about from caregivers who are parenting a child with an FASD. And we are also caregivers. We are part of your audience because we are caregivers parenting multiple kids with an FASD. And, I think what we love about you and why we love our partnership with you is that you are so down to earth and so practical, right? In the approach to helping caregivers understand, you're giving them these very highly valuable tools, but it is highly relational and very much easy to grasp, right? We're not going like super, stratosphere. It's down to earth, right?
Do you think my vocabulary can facilitate?
Neither one of us.
Anything over 3 syllables. But here's the deal. Why is that important? Because when I was first learning as a former foster parent, I was learning about FASD, and that jargon just went over my head. I just didn't understand. And that's what
we don't have time to understand that. Let's be honest. Like
that's what I needed.
We're hanging on by a thread. Yeah.
Here's how it kind of went, right? So the reason why it's practical is because at first, when I saw the behaviors happening, thought it was because of him. And I'm not like, I'm a better person now, and I know better, but I used to think things and say things that I am ashamed that I thought and said. Lazy, manipulative, unmotivated,
just a bad kid.
Okay. So that term, there's a bad apple in every bunch.
Yeah.
I said, this is why. Because as a foster parent, I could see it. I said, maybe no wonder this guy has been through 15 different placements in 2 years. So that's what I thought. So then I got some education, and then I thought different. Right. And so my practical approach is, okay, I'm sick of living like this. People shouldn't have to live like this. It's such a lonely and isolating and icky place to be, not only for the parent, but the kid. And so that's why I want tangibility, because what I learned was applicable in my home. And then I applied that stuff in my home that I learned because I got some great education. And then things started to change, and we started to have more good days. Now, I'm not saying every day is sunshine and rainbows.
No,
that would be a blatant misrepresentation. We know this disability, and we know ourselves, but I don't know of a caregiver on the planet who wouldn't want more good days.
Absolutely.
And that's what our goal is. That's our goal.
Yeah.
And so when you have more good days, Mike, when your kid doesn't have a very good day, you have the emotional energy and resilience to give them the care that they need to get through it.
Yeah.
So you guys both aren't going nuts on each other, and
Exactly.
you know what that's like. So that's why I'm passionate about not theory. I want to take caregivers from being like theorists to like practicum, like I want a practitioner, right? A parent. Oh, let's TM that. A parent practitioner. And actually practicing what's going on.
That's
and so
good.
we'll even do that in this workshop. Like I'll give you little bits to think about. You know, there's no heavy homework, but just, okay, when you're engaging, like take a step back and think about this. My caregivers often say they hear me in their
head.
all the time, right? And
that's awesome.
You can be mad at me and you could yell at that guy on your shoulder, but if it helps prevent a meltdown for both of you, then I'll do my job.
I love it. Here's the awesome part for all of you that are watching. This is 100% free to sign up for, right?
Yeah.
You're watching this. There's a link. We've put a link in the post. You click the link. You put your name, you put your email address, and that's it. That's all it costs you to join this workshop.
Yeah.
And you guys have there's already over 2,000 people, 2,500 people.
Okay. I've been
signed up.
Just refreshing.
Right? Yeah.
And
refresh those numbers, man.
Yeah. Okay. So remember I told you at the beginning of the call, because I was so excited, when we were off, now we're at 2,709, 2,709 people are showing up. That's both exciting and sad.
Yeah.
It's like concerning.
Double-edged sword there.
But, in reality, there should be 27 million, because that's how many people are affected. So, what I'm excited about is having all these people come and get training.
Yeah.
And so that's more boots on the ground.
Right.
Absolutely. What ends up happening is when people learn about FASD, and they see what what's actually going on. It's like the Matrix, red pill, blue pill, and they take whatever one allows you to see reality. You want to advocate. You want to. That's what I did. It's what my a lot of my. I don't like saying student, like the participants, the parents have done, and so even them are going on to do great things. Like I just had the pod where an interview with one of my parents where she was driving home. She went from trying to convince herself, this isn't for her, and this drive isn't for her, to being the black screen, all the way now to driving home and having a congresswoman calling her about FASD.
Wow.
I'm telling you,
that's amazing.
Within a year, right?
Yeah.
So and we have tons of case studies. I think I'm close to 50, and we'll be sharing those in the private Facebook group and during the workshop, because it's not me. I'm bragging about my people because they deserve it. They've earned it.
Yeah, absolutely. And listen, this is those case studies are amazing. And you parents, caregivers watching this, you're going to get so much out of this, so much insight. Every time we have done a workshop, we've had you at Insight Conference, and we've had we've done podcasts. It's just an overwhelming response because the whole parenting children that have been drug and alcohol exposed carries so much mystery, but then so much exhaustion, but there is hope. That's what this is all about. This kicks off tomorrow afternoon. And you're doing November 6th, November 8th, November 10th. So it's 3 parts.
That we're telling them about.
I know.
I just love doing that. I love
it really is Christmas Eve.
Yeah.
It really is Christmas Eve.
Yeah. Because I don't want to overwhelm, right? I don't want to, because they're going through so much. Yeah. And so if they're wondering, here's a big one. Like this workshop is for you if your loved one has a diagnosis or is suspected of having FASD. If you're not sure, this is for you. If you can't make it, we will have a recording. We'll have a headquarters where you can watch the recording, download the action guide. This is a full blown workshop.
It's an immersive experience.
Oh,
too.
yes.
That's
Like
what it is. Yeah.
it's free, but we're going all out because we have to. And the more people we teach, the better it is.
Yeah.
And I'm just excited.
Awesome. Here's the deal, guys. Jeff only does this once a year. This is your one. This is FOMO, man. You can't miss this. You know,
well, but
FOMO,
it's also true.
It's
also true. We do it once a year because we're busy the rest of the year.
We got a lot of stuff going on. So don't miss it. Sign up. Click the link in this post. Register at honestlyadoption.com/FASD workshop. And we can't wait to see you at the FASD Caregiver Success FASD Workshop. I think I just butchered that title, but it works.
Doesn't matter. Click the link.
Click the link.
It's going to be fun.
It is.
It's not going to be boring. I'm not talking slides. We're getting in there and it's real because we want to make sure that we can help you create better days, Mike. You're the man.
Yeah, you are the man. Thank you so much for jumping in and doing this. And here we go. We're getting ready.
Thank you for listening to the Honestly Adoption Podcast, a resource courtesy of the Honestly Adoption Company. To learn more about us, visit www.honestlyadoption.com.